this is Joanne's finished project today. She's took really good care of everything she's done. She's listened, she's learned, and she's produced, I think, a fantastic piece. And not that you can see it at the bottom section, but there is like a little veg patch there in a little box. So Joe, if you just turn it towards the window a little bit so we can see. No, it's the other way, you daft bugger. Yeah. So are you going to tell us about it? Because she's hiding now behind it.
No, I don't want to.
She's called it My Place. Well, shame it wasn't My Space, isn't it?
Mm.
She's got a hanging basket. She's done all of it herself. She even put some little reading books, lots of pumpkins, different flowers. A tooled in the little pot there. And her shears and that. And I think she's done a really good job. So I'm going to span out, so you can, pan out should I say, so you can see it. And I'm personally saying to my sister, who's hiding behind the bloody art, it's fantastic, well done, and I'm very proud of you.
Thank you very much.